Next, our off-road journey brings us to Russia, where we get a look at the Jipka-S air defense missile system. It's built on the Gaz-2330 Tiger military vehicle, which is already an excellent choice. Even in its base version, the Tiger comes with an independent torsion suspension on all wheels, a transfer case that lets you lock the center differential, and a tire inflation system, all essential for rough terrain. Plus, the Tiger is multi-purpose, which is important because the Jipka-S system requires two vehicles. The first is the combat unit carrying the anti-aircraft gunners, and the second is the command and reconnaissance vehicle, which can control up to 6 combat units at once. Where other vehicles would sink, the Ural just keeps on rolling.
The Nikola Reckless LTATV is an innovative electric light tactical all-terrain vehicle, LTATV, designed for high-performance off-road operations with advanced technology for reconnaissance and combat support. Built for stealth and efficiency, its electric powertrain enables quiet operation, ideal for covert missions where reducing noise and thermal signatures is crucial. This stealth capability is coupled with excellent off-road abilities, allowing the Reckless LTATV to maneuver across challenging terrains with impressive speed and agility. One of the key features of the Reckless LTATV is its integrated reconnaissance drone platform, which supports real-time surveillance and intelligence gathering. The drone can launch directly from the vehicle, enabling operators to assess distant threats or terrain conditions without exposing personnel to danger. Additionally, the LTATV is equipped with a remote-controlled weapon system, allowing the crew to engage targets from a safe distance, enhancing operational safety and flexibility. The vehicle's modular design accommodates various mission-specific payloads, including additional communication tools, weaponry, and supplies. Lightweight and compact, the Reckless LTATV can be rapidly deployed by air or ground transport, making it ideal for both military and tactical law enforcement applications. With its combination of cutting-edge tech and rugged versatility, it is a valuable asset for modern combat and reconnaissance scenarios. The Saab A-26 submarine is a state-of-the-art diesel-electric-powered submersible designed for advanced stealth, multi-role capabilities, and resilience in diverse maritime operations. Equipped with groundbreaking stealth technology, the A-26 operates with ultra-low acoustic signatures, making it nearly undetectable in the ocean depths. This high level of stealth allows it to conduct covert surveillance, intelligence gathering, and reconnaissance in even the most sensitive environments. A hallmark of the A-26 is its modular design, allowing flexibility in mission configurations to support a range of tasks, from anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare to special operations and mine laying. Its multi-mission portal, an innovative feature, permits deployment of unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs, divers, and specialized equipment, enhancing operational versatility for various tasks. The sub's advanced weapon systems include torpedoes, missiles, and launch capabilities for precision strikes, ensuring effective defense and offensive power in challenging conditions. The A-26's advanced propulsion system enables extended submerged endurance, providing superior maneuverability and endurance over prolonged missions. Designed with future upgrades in mind, the Saab A-26 submarine remains a flexible, adaptable, and powerful asset for modern naval forces, optimized for both peacetime operations and high-threat environments. The Sikorsky S-97 Raider is a cutting-edge, tactical helicopter designed to excel in high-speed, high-precision missions across challenging terrains and demanding environments. Leveraging its coaxial rotor system and advanced aerodynamics, the S-97 achieves speeds up to 250 knots, significantly outpacing traditional helicopters and ensuring rapid response and quick maneuverability in critical situations. This helicopter's compact design and agility make it ideal for a range of military operations, from reconnaissance and attack missions to special operations support and troop transport in restricted or rugged areas. Equipped with advanced avionics and sensor systems, the S-97 Raider provides pilots with enhanced situational awareness, allowing for precise targeting and secure navigation even in complex or hostile environments. Its lightweight composite materials and efficient engine contribute to reduced operational costs while maximizing durability and resilience against adverse conditions. Additionally, the S-97's weapons systems are modular and configurable, enabling it to carry an array of munitions tailored to specific mission requirements. The Raider's design prioritizes speed, stability, and survivability, making it a valuable asset for tactical missions that demand swift, precise, and adaptable air support in diverse and potentially high-threat scenarios. This all-terrain vehicle is specifically engineered to excel in extreme off-road conditions, showcasing its robust design and exceptional performance capabilities. Built to tackle the toughest terrains, it features a powerful engine and advanced suspension system that ensure a smooth ride even over rocky, uneven surfaces. Its strong payload capacity allows for the transportation of heavy equipment and supplies, making it an ideal choice for rugged environments, whether for industrial, recreational, or rescue operations. Low maintenance requirements further enhance its appeal, allowing users to spend less time on upkeep and more time utilizing the vehicle for various tasks. The durable construction materials contribute to its longevity, ensuring that it can withstand harsh conditions without compromising reliability. With its combination of strength, versatility, and ease of maintenance, this all-terrain vehicle stands out as a dependable choice for those seeking an efficient solution for extreme off-road challenges. The Zumwalt-class destroyer represents a cutting-edge advancement in naval warfare, designed with stealth capabilities that set it apart from traditional warships. Its distinctive angular shape and radar-absorbing materials make it nearly invisible to enemy detection, reducing its radar signature to that of a small fishing vessel despite its considerable size. This stealth feature enables it to approach threats undetected, giving it a tactical advantage in high-risk missions. Equipped with an array of advanced weaponry, the Zumwalt class is notably armed with Tomahawk missiles, capable of striking targets over long distances with pinpoint accuracy. Additionally, its advanced gun system, AGS, allows for precision land attacks, making it effective in coastal and ground support operations. The destroyer's missile systems are versatile, providing defenses against both aerial and surface threats, thereby enhancing fleet security. Its integrated power system, IPS, is another revolutionary feature, providing the electrical power needed to support future technologies like laser weapons or electromagnetic railguns. Furthermore, the Zumwalt's advanced radar and sensor systems enable extensive situational awareness, tracking multiple targets across air, surface, and subsurface domains. Altogether, the Zumwalt-class destroyer stands as a formidable force in modern naval strategy, integrating stealth, firepower, and advanced technology for unmatched mission versatility.
Imagine a truck that laughs at extreme terrain. Meet the new Tatra Force. This beast has been completely reimagined with a lower cab and unmatched off-road performance. It was already impressive, but now it pushes boundaries even further, conquering mud, rocks, and even water up to 1.5 meters deep without breaking a sweat. The versatility is mind-blowing. Available in multiple configurations, including a powerful 16x12 setup, the Force 1R 8x8 model alone can haul a massive 24,700 kilograms of payload. Need more than just a heavy-duty truck? This machine can transform into an engineering vehicle, or even a mobile missile system, making it a true multi-purpose powerhouse. But don't mistake its size for slowness. The Force 1R can hit speeds of up to 105 kilometers per hour, proving that strength and speed can coexist in one unstoppable vehicle. The Tatra Force isn't just a truck, it's a statement. A symbol of engineering that blends brute power with unmatched adaptability, redefining what heavy-duty vehicles can achieve. When the road ends, the Force begins.
The Cockle EX is a state-of-the-art, lightweight armored vehicle specifically designed for rapid deployment in combat situations. Its innovative design prioritizes speed and agility, enabling military forces to respond quickly to threats in various environments. Equipped with advanced stealth technology, the Cockle EX allows for covert operations, reducing the likelihood of detection by enemy forces. This vehicle is also armed with powerful weapon systems, ensuring that troops have the firepower needed to engage effectively in hostile encounters. Its exceptional mobility further enhances its tactical versatility, allowing it to navigate challenging terrains while maintaining high performance. The combination of these features makes the Cockle EX an invaluable asset for military units requiring a reliable, quick-response solution. Whether in urban settings or rugged landscapes, this armored vehicle is engineered to provide both protection and operational effectiveness, supporting the mission success of armed forces in dynamic and high-pressure scenarios.
Imagine a military truck so powerful it can crush through mud, climb obstacles, and even dive into water without hesitation. That's the Rheinmetall HX10x10, a beast built for any battlefield. Trusted by armies from the UK to New Zealand, more than 10,000 of these trucks are already in action worldwide. Why? Because they can be anything you need: fuel carriers, recovery vehicles, or even mobile weapon platforms. The real magic lies in their design. With configurations ranging from 4x4 to massive 10x10 setups, these machines adapt to any mission. Their hydropneumatic suspension and giant 1.3-meter tires let them glide over terrain that would stop most vehicles cold. And with engines packing up to 680 horsepower, obstacles feel less like challenges and more like minor bumps in the road. The HX doesn't just move troops, it redefines what unstoppable really means. When the mission demands strength, speed, and survival, this truck proves there's no terrain too tough. The HX10x10 isn't just built to perform, it's built to dominate. Imagine holding a rifle that feels more like a high-performance supercar than a firearm. That's the Stoeger XM1 Bullpup, a Red Dot Award winner celebrated for its futuristic design and precision engineering. Every curve of the XM1 is sculpted with millimeter accuracy, giving it sleek ergonomics that stand out in the shooting world. But it's not just about looks, it's about control. The unique multi-grip system lets you swap grips and cheek pieces, tailoring the rifle to fit your style, almost like a customizable kit. Inside, a built-in regulator keeps air pressure steady, ensuring each shot delivers consistent power and pinpoint accuracy. Combine that with its bullpup design, a compact frame paired with a full-length barrel, and you get balance and maneuverability in one package. The center of gravity rests at your shoulder, making it incredibly stable even in tight spaces. This isn't just another rifle, it's a fusion of innovation and performance. Whether navigating dense forests or demanding precision in the field, the XM1 Bullpup proves that cutting-edge design can truly change the game.
The Aptera is a futuristic electric car with 3 wheels and space for 2 people. It's designed to be incredibly energy efficient. Built-in solar panels can add up to 40 miles of range daily, meaning most drivers won't need to charge it often. Its aerodynamic shape reduces drag, while lightweight materials and efficient wheel hub motors enhance performance. The Aptera plans to start production in 2024 with a base model offering 1,000 miles on a single charge and high-end versions reaching 1,500 miles. Prices are expected to start at just $25,000, making this innovative vehicle both practical and affordable.
Unit: the BVS-10, also known as the Bannon 410 or Boulevard 410, is an all-terrain, armored, tracked and articulated, amphibious vehicle originally developed for the British Royal Marines and now manufactured by B Systems Hägglunds in Sweden. It boasts greater power and speed compared to its predecessor, the BV206, featuring a robust 5.9 L diesel engine that allows it to reach speeds of over 80 km/h on level Class A roads. The BVS-10 operates effectively in temperatures ranging from 46 C to plus 49 C and is designed to handle heavy loads. Recently, Germany approved the purchase of 227 additional BVS-10 units at a total cost of $99 million, approximately $1 billion.
Next, this mobile home is perfect for travel, hunting, or fishing trips. It combines the rugged off-road capabilities of Ural trucks and military technology with a bunch of options to create a comfortable living space. Inside, you'll find 5 beds, insulation, and a full bathroom. The interior is finished with birch plywood, while the exterior is made of galvanized steel. Since the living area is quite high off the ground, a ladder is included for easy access. ACC if you want to relax outside. A retractable awning with remote control is also available. The year all next is priced at $192,000. Let us know in the comments if you think it's worth the